common question I see again with these units is a blinking light that you typically can only see at nighttime. That's normal. It's typically the Wi-Fi thumb drive inside the unit that's just kind of illuminating through the front panel there. There's a way to address that if it's annoying you. And by the way, I don't think I put it on my other video, but by hitting the LED button just once, you turn off the display and mute it. So if that light's bothering you at nighttime, just hit the LED once, it mutes it and goes away, and then it's still operating, so I can change the set point and it'll not beep, but it'll quickly display my new set point, and then it should disappear again. But I'm going to turn the light off with this LED display off now, and we'll pan in and I'll show you what this light might look like. Sometimes it's very dim, sometimes it's pretty bright. A lot of the time it bothers people. Got a flashlight out here so I can see where I'm going. So it's somewhere in the midsection of the unit. This one's not too bright, but you can see what I'm talking about. What it is the thumb drive inside the unit. It's usually more visible from the inside depending on how the thumb drive was put in. You can see it blinking away in there, green light. Maybe sometimes they're red. So you can try swapping this, flipping it around. It just kind of holsters into that plastic tab. I always install them with the QR code facing out, and it seems to illuminate more on the inside rather than the outside, but still sometimes they just seem to appear. And you can try wrapping some tape over this entire thing, especially if you have the QR code sticker already placed elsewhere in the unit. You won't really need to scan that anymore, so you can try to just wrap this with some black tape just to dim that light if it's bothering you. And again, this thing presses up in there and slides to the right. And there's one Phillips screw right here that I had already had removed for this.